Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, I'm Zon the Daddy Dev. Luckily, me and Plopsis had some time, so we got to put some of, I hope I say his name right, E-Mark, one of the new Godot jammers, yes, EMKE, who supplied the music and supplied a lot of the background art and some of the characters. We got to put his stuff in. There is apparently only minutes left, less than 30 minutes left. I want to do this as a quick video to kind of show you what our game is and how to play it, because the instructions may be unclear and I want to upload this as I submit it to the contest. Quickly, after you download the Windows one, I do have a Linux version, but I did not test the Linux version. You'll open the Windows Up version right here, click up File Jam, press, if you want full screen, press this right here, press start, and there you go. Now I want to tell you right now, this game had a lot of good intentions, but unfortunately for time, we didn't get to put all the behaviors into the characters as you see here. Now basically all you do is you press T, and when you press T, that attracts people, but it also attracts police. And the idea is to get as many people to follow you as you can, without being beaten by the police. The bigger the protest gets, the more protection you have from the police, and that core mechanic actually does work within the game. Now, again, this is supposed to be more complicated. We're supposed to have a smart director for crowd interactions and or police interactions. But right now, this is the game as it stands. It's playable for about, a good 2 to 5 minutes of hopefully fun until you're beaten down. Now, I've played this game a lot. There's also so I'm pretty good at it. I can last a pretty long time. I've been fun. There's a little bit of a death animation right there. Again, I do apologize we didn't get to have the characters do all the things we wanted to. The animation is a little clunky. We don't even have all the attack animations. It is a bit of a whip, but I hope you enjoy it for 2 to 5 minutes of what we tried to do, and I hope you get some of the jokes that have been memed in there, if you know what I mean. All right, so that's it. I'm going to do a whole debrief video about like what we learned and stuff later on in the... Oh, you can't see all the stuff I'm looking at. I'm so funny. I'm looking at empty windows. But anyway, I'll put in like a whole debrief on what we learned related to this game jam, and ironically that we're jumping into another game jam. I was talking about taking a break. I do want to take a break, but I am treating this like a job, and I'm learning a lot along the way. Plopsis is still with me. Hopefully we can get some of the other Godot jammers with us. EMKE, I'd really love you to come join us for the next one. And yeah, I'll do a whole debrief video on this and what we learned, how we can be better Godot jammers, and there you go. So I hope you enjoy the game. 3 to 5 minutes. This video is pretty short. Insert catchy phrase here, and bye bye. I gotta do all this, upload this YouTube video. Ugh.